How to change YouTube comment section language. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on your YouTube and to be on the particular comment section you would like to change or translate. Now under every comment written in another language, there's always something under that states translate to English. Now for you to just change the YouTube comment section, all you need to do is to tap on translate into English, and as you can see, these languages that were written in Chinese has been translated into English. Now guys, somebody might ask, what if I don't want it translated into English and I want it translated into another language? Now it's very easy, you just need to change your settings. Now to do that, you want to go to the bottom right hand corner of your screen and type on you. Now guys, you are going to be tapping on Google account. Because the translation of these comments are literally helped by Google, you need to change the language from your Google account. And then I'm going to be tapping on the search icon. Then I'm going to be typing language. Tap on personal info. Now as you can see here, my preferred language is in English. Now I'm going to be changing this probably into Spanish. Now as you can see, my preferred language has been changed into Spanish. Now you want to give this 24 hours before you can notice the change on your YouTube. And guys, this is how to change YouTube comment section language. Now if this video was helpful to you, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now see you in my next video. Bye.